Standard 8, Chapter number 3, Synthesis Fiber and Plastics. The clothes which we wear are made of fabric. Fabric are made from fiber, obtained from natural or artificial sources. The fiber are also used for making a large variety of household articles. Make a list of some common articles made from fibers. Try to separate them into those made from natural fiber and those made for artificial fiber. Make entries in table 3.1. You have read in your previous classes the natural fiber like cotton, wool, silk, etc. are obtained from plants or animals. The synthesis fiber, on the other hand, are made by human beings. That's why called we synthesis fiber or man-made fiber. What are synthesis fiber? Try to recall the uniform pattern found in a necklace or beads joined with the help of the thread, or trying to join a number of paper clips together to make a long chain, as in figure. Is there any similarity between the two? A synthetic fiber is also a chain of small units joined together. Each small unit is actually a chemical substance. Many such small units combine to form a large single unit cell called a polymer. The word polymer comes from two Greek words. Poly means many and mer means unit. So polymer is made of many repelling units. Types of synthesis fiber. First, rayon. You have read in class 7. The silk fiber obtained from silkworm was discovered in China and was kept as a closely guarded secret for a long time. Fabric obtained from silk fiber was very costly, but its beautiful texture, everybody attempts were made to make silk artificially toward the end of the 19th century. Scientists were successful in obtaining a fiber having properties similar to that of silk. Such a fiber was obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp. This fiber was called rayon or artificial silk. Rayon is obtained from a natural source, wood pulp, yet made by man-made fiber. It is cheaper than silk and can be woven like silk fiber. It can also be dyed in a wide variety of colors. Rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheet or mixed with wool to make carpet. Second is nylon. Nylon is another man-made fiber. In 1931, it was made without using any natural raw material. It was prepared from coal, water and air. It was the first fully synthetic fiber. Nylon fiber was strong, elastic and light. It was luster and easy to wash. It became very popular for making clothes. We use many articles made from nylon such as socks, rope, tent, toothbrush, car seat belt, sleeping bag, curtains, etc. Nylon is also used for making parachute and rope of rock climbing. A nylon thread is actually stronger than a steel wire. Third one is polyester or acrylic. Polyester is another silk fiber fabric made from this fiber does not get wrinked easily. It remains crisp and easy to wash. So it's quite suitable for making dress material. You must have seen people wearing nice polyester shirt and other dresses. Telaine is a popular polyester. It can be drawn into very fine fiber that can be worn like any other yarn. PET is a very familiar form of polyester. It is used for making bottle, films, wire, utensil, and many other useful products. Look around and make a list of things made of polyester. We wear sweater and use the shawl or blanket in the winter. Many of these are actually not made from natural wool. Through that, they appear to resemble wool. They are prepared from another type of synthesis that's called acrylic. The wool obtained from natural sources is quite expensive, whereas clothes are made from acrylic and relatively cheap. They are available in a variety of colors. Synthetic fiber are made durable and affordable, which make them more popular than natural fiber. You have already performed an activity of burning natural and synthesis fiber. What did you observe? That when you burn synthesis fiber, you can find their behavior in different form that of the natural fiber. You must have noticed the synthesis fiber melt on heating. This is actually is disadvantage of synthetic fiber. If the cloth catch fire, it can be destroys. The fabric melt and stick to the body of the person wearing it. We should therefore not wearing synthetic clothes while working in the kitchen or laboratory. Characteristic of synthetic fiber. In that rainy day, what kind of umbrella you would use? The synthetic fiber pose unique characteristics which make them popular dress material. They dry up quickly, are durable, less expensive, readily available, and easy to maintain. Perform the following activity and learn. Next is plastic. You must have familiar with many plastic articles used everywhere. Make a list of such uses. Plastic is also polymer like the synthetic fiber. All plastic don't have the same type of arrangement of units. It's a linear, where is another cross-linked. Plastic articles are available in all possible shapes and sizes. You can see in 3.7. Have you ever wondered how that's possible? The fact is that plastic is easily modulable, can shape and form. Plastic can be recycled, reused, colored, melted, rolled into sheet, or made it wire. That is why it finds such as a variety of use. Now, try to bend a piece of plastic yourself. Can all plastic articles be bent easily? You will observe that some plastic articles can bend easily while some break when forced to bend. When we add hot water in a plastic bottle, it gets deformed. Such as plastic which get deformed easily on heat and can be bent easily are known as thermoplastic. Polythene and PVC are some of the examples of thermoplastic. They are used for manufacturing toys, foams, and variety of containers. On the other hand, there are some plastic which melt when module ones can be softened by heating. These were called thermosetting plastic. Two examples of thermosetting plastic: bakelite and melamine. Bakelite is poor conductor of heat and electricity. It can used to making electric switch, handle of various things, etc. Melamine is a versatile material. It resists fire and can tolerate heat better than other plastic. It's used for making floor, tiles, kitchenware, and fabric which resist fire. So the variety used of thermoplastic are thermosetting plastic. Plastic as material of choice. Today it was if we think that is story of a food item, water, milk, pickles, dry fruits, etc. Plastic containers seem most convenient. This is because of their lightweight, low price, good strength, and easy handling. Being lighter as compared to melt plastic are used in car, aircraft, and spacecraft too. Plastic is non-reactive. You know that metal like iron get rusted when left exposed to moisture and air, but plastic do not react with water and air. There was no corroded easily. That's why we used plastic to store various kind of material, including many chemicals. Plastic is light, strong, and durable. Talk to the parents and grandpa other type about the type of buckets that were used in past. What is the material of bucket or mug we are using today? What are the advantages of using a plastic container? Since the plastic is very light, strong, durable, and can be molded into different shape and size, it was used for various purposes. Plastic are generally cheaper than metal. They are widely used in industry and for household articles. Make a list of different kind of plastic containers that you used in daily life. Plastic are poor conductor. You have learned about the plastic were poor conductor of heat and electricity. That is why electric wire have plastic covering and handle. A screwdriver are made of plastic as maintained above. Handle of frying pan are also made from plastic. 3.7 Plastic and the environment. When we go to the market, we get usually things wrapped in plastic or packaged in polythene bag. That is one of the reasons why plastic waste keep getting accumulated in our home. Ultimately, plastic find its way to garbage. Disposal of plastic is a major problem. Why a material which get decomposed through natural process such as the action of by bacteria, that's called biodegradable. A material which is not easily decomposed by natural process, that's called non-biodegradable. So since plastic takes several years to decompose, it is not environment friendly. It causes environment pollute. Besides, the burning process in the synthesis material is quite slow and it does not get completely burnt easily. In the process, in releasing lot of poisons form into the atmosphere, causing air pollution How can this problem be solved? Avoid the use of plastic as far as possible. Make use of bags made of cotton or jute. When you go for shopping, the biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste should be collected separately and deposited off separately. Parties, this is your home. Can you suggest some other way in which you can contribute toward reducing the use of plastic material? It was better to recycle the plastic waste. The most of the thermoplastics can be recycled, and make a list of items that can be recycled. However, during a recycle, certain coloring agents are added. This limits its use, especially for storage of food. As per as responsible citizen, remember for our principle: reuse, recycle, and recover. Develop the habit to easily.